It's weird when something you used to do just doesn't feel the same anymore. Nobody told you to stop. Nothing dramatic happened. It just hits you in the middle of it. Like, why am I even doing this? Same situation, same behavior. But now there's this pause. And once that pause shows up, it doesn't really go away. You can still go through with it. But you're aware the whole time. That part is new. And it kind of ruins it. Not in a bad way. Just enough to let you know you're not in the same place anymore. That's the quiet shift people don't talk about. It's not about forcing change. It's when something stops feeling normal on its own. That's the quiet war.